Hello, welcome to Army Forex Market Review. I'm excited to come your way once again with analysis on GBP, JPY, GJ. And but before I share my thoughts, I will ask kindly that you will subscribe to my channel, Army Forex, and share so that others will also get to benefit with the little knowledge that I'm sharing on this channel. And also you click on the notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified to look at it. I upload videos every weekend when I do a review of what I'm expecting and what I'm looking at in the market for the coming week. So let's dive straight into GJ. Now, GJ on the weekly, like I always do, I start my analysis from the weekly. I do a multi-time frame analysis, a top-down analysis. I look at the weekly, I come to the daily, then the 4 hours. That is as low as I go because I am a swing trader. So I always look at the trend on the weekly, daily, and 4 hours. I do not scale down to the hour and the lower time frame. I only go to the lower time frame when I am looking for entries. So GJ is bullish. It's been trending upward, but the last 3 weeks or to a month now, it has been dropping, and majority of people are selling it. But I have stayed out of this market for over 5 weeks now because I do not trade against the higher time frame trend. It doesn't mean you cannot do that, but I do not do that. I always want to trade in the direction of the higher time frame trend so that I can catch more pips and I'll be more confident in my setup when I enter the market. So the weekly is bullish, and even though it has been dropping, it has not broken the higher low. It came close last week and the market rejected. And then this week too, it has come and it has rejected, and it is printing a bullish candle. Now, when we scroll down to the daily, you realize that the daily was trending downwards. And it is so because when there is a retracement on the higher time frame, the lower time frame would change direction. So that's where the day traders and those who trade at lower time frame will see it as a downtrend. But when you go to the higher time frame, you realize that it's still an uptrend. The daily broke structure to the downside from this level. This was the last lower high. The market broke this level here. And since then, the market has been trading downwards. But today, the market has broken the last lower high. It has not closed, so we can't conclude anything. We are hoping that market will close above this lower high region. If it does, then we're going to have the market shift in the daily time frame. Then we scale down to the 4 hours, and we realize that the 4 hours too, the market has changed character from bearish to bullish. So we are just waiting for the close of the daily candle. And if we get the daily candle closing above this region, then it means that we have all the time frame in sync. And that what this tells us is that the market is now going to continue with its uptrend. So basically, that is what I'm looking at. And this is how I'm looking at trading days. Maybe tomorrow, if I get a good setup, or maybe from next week going. So Let me take my part 2. I'm looking for something like this. I'm looking for a break above this zone, a retest, and a move to the upside. This is what I'm looking at. So my trade is going to be something like this. My trade is going to be something like this. And my stop loss is going to be based on what the price action that will take place on the lower time frame, like the 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. That's where the distance. So that is that for GJ. I also want to share with you our gold trade. I shared these on my Telegram. This week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we caught all these trades. We caught these on Monday, these on Tuesday, and these on Wednesday. And in all, we caught about 845 pips. And you can see here on the Telegram channel, I dropped these trades here. Yeah, so this is it, but this is why I called the trade. What is it? Yeah, so this is why I called it, and we called the first one and we wrote it. Yeah, so this is the first one. I called the first one somewhere up here, and we caught those pips. So that is that for today. I'll come your way again, God willing, on Sunday with another review. So last weekend we talked about US CAP. Let me talk about it, but it hasn't played out. You can see that the market is consolidating. The market is consolidating, but we are looking for a change of character on the 4 hours and on the daily. And if we get it and a break of the zone, then we are also going to write. So I will update you with another video when this plays out. Until I come your way again, may the market favor you. God bless you. Bye-bye.